Though the flagship OnePlus Nord series does not arrive to North American shores, the entry-level Nord N series has been successful in capturing some of the budget segment over at Metro by T-Mobile and T-Mobile Prepaid customers. The OnePlus Nord N300 5G is only available in the US, but it is a rebranded Oppo K10 5G with a couple of tweaks and Oxygen OS instead of Color OS. Compared to its predecessor, the Nord N200 5G, the N300 drops a 2MP macro camera. OnePlus touts its Nightscape feature on the N300, which should pair decently with the 48MP main camera. The large 90Hz display and side-mounted fingerprint scanner make for an attractive entry-level product. Fast charging, NFC, and 5G support all sweeten the deal. In the phone's slim profile is a hefty 5000 mAh battery, and we expect to see excellent battery life. The N300 5G brings a trendy new design with flat edges. It isn't quite like an iPhone, but the inspiration is clearly there. The all-plastic build does look nice, with a texture made to look like metal on the frame, and a shiny matte finish on the back panel. The dual cameras are supported by dual LED flashes. Yup, there are two of each. We are expecting to see some performance gains with the N300. The N300 switches from using a Snapdragon 480 on the N200 to a beefier MediaTek Dimensity 810. There's also faster charging this time, with a SuperVOC 33W charge adapter included in the box. The Nord N300 will compete with other entry and mid-level smartphone selections at major US carriers in its intended US market. The Nord N300 is a solid device with great battery life, a large display, decent camera performance, and snappy software. It is also OnePlus' cheapest offering in the US.